now.
Okay, cool. So we're here now. This is the second floor. So this is more like a live band type of thing, like a really live show feeling. So more like when you want to do concerts and everything. So let's just have a look around and see what's up. See what's up. Whoa, feels like it's more like a drum set.
Yeah.
More like a drum set. So this going for like normally it would go for like 16,995 rands, and then now it's a special 14K. It's a whole thing for the drums.
So this whole set, guys, 14K and US is probably around $880 with the current exchange rate. And let's just give you a clue of what it's looking like. And that's for the whole
Hey,
set.
it's going great.
Hey, doing great. How you doing?
Awesome, awesome. My name is Paul. I'm very well. Hey.
Here's another set.
Nice to meet you too. And this is Jason.
Hey, nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you. So we're just going around showcasing your place, just to see what.
And this is 100% maple. 7,000. That's about maybe 500 US dollars, I think.
Like a rough idea of what it is. But hearing it from you, I guess that's cool.
Let me just help this customer quick and then we can do something.
No problem. Thank you so much. Awesome. So yeah, he's currently busy, but he's gonna go around showing us everything else. I'll give the information to the group, but maybe in the meantime we can just be looking around to see what it is that we're seeing.
So since we're going to get someone to walk us through everything, guys, we're just going to give you a quick view of everything they sell here. So if you see anything that you're looking for, like microphones, stuff like that that's out here, you know, you can come here in Braam and get your needs. This is literally a one-stop shop if you're a musician.
Everything, cymbals, the drums, the sticks that they use.
And then one of the things I hope you see while you're watching these videos, like, people are nice. The people here are very nice in Johannesburg, especially in Braamfontein, CBD area. Like, you know, you see all these videos, oh, dangerous area, but they don't want to walk a couple of blocks over and show you nice areas. And then because they don't speak to those people in these so-called dangerous areas, they're just portraying these people as dangerous, and it's not true. I wasn't expecting all this stuff here.
Right?
Man.
So they have the whole set, like they have everything from like whatever you like, you know, these things that they play. Polka, percussion.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Literally, we are not doing this store justice. It's so much stuff.
It's a lot.
To get it on camera, we would literally be here for a couple of hours.
Yep. Oh, they got these guys too.
Yeah, that's what shocked me, man.
Damn. So these guys are
1,500?
from, like 1,500.
What? So this right here is 1,500. If you're in the U.S. and you're into music, let me know how much it costs there. 1,500 rand is about.
That's probably a chair.
Oh, okay, maybe. Okay, okay. So it's just a chair. Okay,
Yeah,
now that makes sense.
I'm looking at this right now. So it's like it was 12,999 rands, and then it went up to like so right now it's like 9,000
Okay.
9,000 rands.
So this one's 9,000. That's about 600 US dollars. Let me know how much it costs in the US.
And then there's the 2,000 watt speaker.
Nice.
Something that we will probably are looking for, but we'll get to it. This is just to give an accurate price of this one.
And this one here is 11,000. These are great prices.
33,395 right now.
Okay.
33,000.
I'm about to say that one look way more expensive than
Yeah.
1,500. I'm about to say 1,500. I'm about to just cop that up just for an investment. Shoot.
Yeah, so we have more. I think it's just different brands. This one is Roland, I guess. Yamaha. Okay, this one is like 16,000 at the moment. So it's like a program, drama, stuff like that. This is Roland. Roland is actually going for like 19,000. That's amazing. Then we have a couple of drums here. 10,500 today on special.
Nice.
And these small guys are like 1.4 for the whole thing.
Oh, nice.
Dope. Oh, these guys.
Okay, we got some brass here. French horn, trumpets.
We have everything. So for the jazz bands and everything. So this is like 4.5. This is like 7,000.
Nice.
And 10 grand, 10 grand. And this is good. It's like 34,000. It was 48,000 before, but now it's like 38,000.
They have some really good discounts going on right now.
So this was 32K, now it's 25,000.
Nice.
25,000. So yeah. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. Oh, what is this? Looks like a violin thing.
I'm about to say, is it about? Yep. So we got violins too.
Oh man, and they cost like 3,225 on special today. That is spectacular.
The one instrument I always wanted to learn how to play.
Violin.
Yeah.
That's my favorite instrument, by the way.
Okay. So here's one here. It's in the box. Is 1,800, and I believe that's like, so it's 17 rand. $1 is 17 rand. So I think that's like maybe $400. Like, don't trust my math.
Okay, now we're gonna jump into the studio. This is like the when you want to start up a studio. So they have the interfaces, the studio monitors, the interfaces, and everything. So we're gonna jump in and see what exactly they have, what sort of packages they have around here. So we music people, we love our music. So we just want to show you roughly what's going on here in Joburg.
Here we go. Different headsets, guys. They got professional. All the way to the amateur.
Yes, these are the headphones. So I had these ones for the technical. I don't know how much they're costing here. These are exclusive. Yes, they don't have a price tag. But it's just one of those headphones that you really need in your studio when you're recording, or when you're making music. Sometimes you just don't want to make noise for people, so you gotta put your headsets in. So this is one of the investments that you need to have in your studio. So they have different brands, depending on what you really like to use. So for me, it was the Audio Technica. I love these guys; they're amazing, especially for mixing. It's really amazing. So we have all these guys, and this brand is also like gaming fashion a lot around here, and I'm sure they're making like a lot of good products as well. I haven't tried it myself, but a lot of people have been recommending this stuff for me. So yeah, and then just looking around this side, it's like a studio box.
Okay, nice.
Studio box. So they have everything. So they have studio monitor, comes with studio monitor, comes with microphones, comes with interface as well as the headset. That said is from M Audio. It's really amazing. Really amazing. I don't know if you can squeeze it.
Yeah, here I go right. Okay. I'm about to say, you see this one here, the studio in the box?
Oh, yes.
Now that's nice right there.
This is the mobile studio.
Yeah.
God. 1,799.
So for the nomads out there, if you're like me who travel around a lot, that's perfect.
Damn. So we have something for 5,799.
Oh, nice.
As the keyboard, I think they give you the badge as well. They give you the headset, the interface, and the microphone, which is what you need. So I guess you just be using your computer or your laptop, with your software, and you're done. You can record your hits. This is amazing, guys. For 5,799, you can have the whole studio within your grasp. Crazy.
I think that's a little bit less than 300 or maybe a little over 300 US. So if you're a digital creator doing YouTube, Instagram, anything like that, that's something you can use. Like, it's not just for music. We can start using these stuff for digital content also if you're a digital creator.
Yeah. So we also have 3.5 inch M audio BX3s, amazing. It comes with a set, I guess. And these things are amazing in the studio so that you can hear the sound that you're producing. You want to hear if your sound is really balanced, if you have the right sound, you don't want to just hear the sound from your headset. You want to hear people, you want to make people listen to your music as well. So these are definitely a pair. I don't know how much they're costing now, but that's another one. And then there's a BXD, BX8 as well. I think they have different sizes, cheap BX3s.
So just because it's starting to get a lot of people up here, guys, and so we're not in the way of them selling, we're just going to start showing you everything instead of going through everything, just to give you a quick review. If you see something that you're interested in, I'm going to put their contact information in the chat box below, and then that way you can just contact them directly, or just hit me up or hit Polly up, and we can always come and find out for you. So we're just going to keep looking around and let you see what we see.
So the whole software packaging for Bluetooth.
Oh, and see, you got that on hookup.
Yeah. So these are the other studio monitors. Let me see the others. Okay, that's 17K. So that's like premium stuff. If you really want to go like fancy.
Oh, these are nice.
And then the Scarlett. Also like
56. That's a good price.
Comes with the mic, comes with the interface, and the headset.
I'm telling you, Johannesburg gonna mess around and make me end up buying a place here over time.
Wow, and the mixer.
Oh, nice. Because it's actually set up here, man, to where you can do business with music, anything like digital creation.
100%. So you have the mixer there.
Oh, nice.
Mixing and this is the interfaces as well. The touch of interfaces.
Yeah, they got everything here.
Yep.
You got the mics.
It's crazy with the mics. Yeah.
Okay, they got the wireless mics. So if you're a podcaster, vlogger, anything like that, using action cameras, these wireless mics are the ways you want to go. And what is that one? Dual channel wireless mic system. Okay, they have one for like 10,000, one for 57. I'm gonna just round it up to 6,000. So you're looking at about 300 to 500. It's about the same price as the US. So, and you can't go bad because it's from what I heard, Rode is one of the best wireless mics in the market. They got vlogger kits, so if you're somebody that want to get into vlogging, if you're in Joburg, they have kits like that. And please remember, you don't have to always go with the most expensive thing. I'm gonna tell you right away, like, you can do most stuff from your cell phone. People are not gonna matter. If you watch my YouTube channel, you'll see horrible video quality that we were filming from our cell phone when we first started. And we'll see y'all on the next floor.